Wishing a happy evening to Bortala dwellers and my salam. Assalamu alaikum. You know that we arranged a international carom tournament last night, and finally we played our first round last night. And today we would like to play second round. That means semi-final and the final. Uh, Now we start our semi-final match, first semi-final match between Sharif Khan and Abdullah. When I come down till 3, then you can start your play. Ready? 1, 2, 3. In this time, we can see that both of the players are playing good. Now, Abdullah trying to success, but he missed a bit. Nice shot. And red is the cover. All of the audience, you know that 8 teams are participant in this game, and 4 are dropped out last night, and 4 are qualified for next round. The 4 players are Abdullah, Sharif, Biddut Kazi, and Joinal. They are the semi-finalists. And the first semi-final match is start between 5 minutes before 5 minutes. Sharif and Abdullah. Sharif has already covered his most of the beat. Only 3 beat has. Nice. Well done by Sharif. And he get 9 points. Again, Sharif start his good playing. Nice shot. Nice shot. Nice shot. Now the chance is straight. Unfortunately miss. Again, second time for the 6 point, only 6 point. 6 plus 9, 15. The total point is 15 by 0. 15 by 0. At this moment, the total point is 15 by 0. Sharif from Singapore, 15. Abdullah from Shokipur, 0. Shokipur, Basha Bank. Basha, 0. We have our fourth semi-finalist, Sharif from Singapore, Abdullah from Shokipur Basha Bank, Biddut Kaji from Malaysia, and Joinal from Saudi Arab. The 4 players are represent 4 countries. At this last point, we can see that who is the winner and who can represent his country very well. Good shot. The shot was good, but unfortunately miss. What one go to? 15. Sub like. Oh, he cut sub. Don't touch to beat. Oh. Good shot. First time for Abdullah. He get 1 point. You can start. Not good at all. Miss. No. Tahir you are seeing this game, and you also saw last night game. What do you think? What is the better? Which game is the better? Last night game or today?
I think today game is better because last time I think today is better because last time doing the playing game always take mistake or mistake and miss and today Abdul also playing good and Sharif Mia also very good playing and Sharif Mia I think today also win because his the playing is very good. Abdul is nervous ready.
Thanks for his nice comment. Last night I also told that nervousness is the obstacle to win. Every player should care about his nervousness. Who should overcome his nervousness so quickly he can win the game. Good. Only Sharif has 2 beat and Abdullah has 4 pawn. Abdullah get another chance. Nice shot. And for the now the total point is 21 by 1. Now the total point is 21 by 1. Notice. Rules is rules.
Very good.
Good start by Abdullah, and I think in this board he's get the point. At this present, first semi-final match is running.
Put the center.
An interesting semi-final match is running. At this moment, the point is 21 by 1. Our Singapore expatriate has get point 21, and Basha Inju from Shokipur, he get only 1 point. That was a mid shot. Shoaib has a chance, but missed the chance. Good shot, good shot. Another good shot by Shorif, and he get 4 points, and the total point is 25. Now the total point is 25 by 1. All of you know that Abdullah is very good player. He can play very well, but today I think he is nervous. He feels very nervous, and I request him to overcome his nervousness. Shorif. Good shot. Nice shot. Again. Miss, unfortunately miss. Shorif has a game chance. Good shot, good shot. 8 point for. Now you can start. Not good. The first semi-final match is running, and the scoreboard is 25 by 9. Shorif from Singapore, he get 25 point, and Abdullah 9 points. Unfortunately, Abdullah missed the rate.
তাই না
Sharif has a chance to finish the game in this board. Good shot. Another nice shot. Good shot. And Abdullah get 4 points. Good shot. Good hit. Unfortunately miss. Abdullah miss easy beat. Sorry, please play so fast. You take more time. Don't take more time. Good shot. Good shot. Don't take so much time, bro. Abdullah has only 2 pawns. He has a chance to recover his point. Good shot, good shot. And Sharif get 2 points. Now we can start. Slow hit, very weak hit.
খেলা গোষ্ঠী মেরে দিই নিয়ে তুমি এই গুলি বানিয়েছি
we are looking that two players are very serious about their game, and the audience are very excited to win the game. Welcome back, welcome back. 7 point. বনে থাকো, now we can start. The hit was not good. Welcome back by Abdullah. He get 3 boards point among 4, last 4. And the last board he get 12 point. That was a big point. At this moment, both are very serious. Nice shot. Brilliant shot. Unfortunately miss. Now the scoreboard is almost equal. Only 2 points are difference. Welcome back. Short. Good shot, good shot. We have our semi-finalist Abdullah. Almost we get our first finalist from semi-final match, Mohammad Abdullah. And now we enjoy our second semi-final match between Biddut Kazi and Joinal. Now they start their game and fight one each other. Now we can start. Good shot.
14.
In this second semi-final match between Biddut Kazi and Joinal, Biddut Kazi represents Malaysia and Joinal represents Saudi Arab.
Biddut Kazi, Jalal Khan. Kazi. Biddut Kazi.
Good start from Biddut Kazi, but unfortunately miss, and Joinal get a chance. Today the second semi-final match is held between Malaysia expatriate and Saudi Arab expatriate. Good shot, good shot. And get 8 point. Vidut Kazi get to 8 point from the fast board.
Mobile account recharge.
Good shot by Joynal. So many black pawn on the board, but only 3 white pawn on the board. In this board, Joynal get 9 points. You can start. It is the third board on this game, and the second semi-final match is running. Now the total point is 8/9. Vidut Kazi from Malaysia expatriate 8, and Joynal from Saudi Arab expatriate is 9. Brother, you see that the scoreboard is almost same. Only 1 point is difference. It's almost same. So what do you think about their game plan? Who will be the winner in this semi-final match?
Thank you, Mr. Shojib. Once again, dear viewers, I welcome all of you to our channel, Rural Activities. You know, we arrange different rural activities to you.
Now the
Now-
scoreboard is, in this board, one player get 14 points, total 22. Now the total board point is 22/9. Continue.
Dear viewers, we watch the team. You know, the Carom team is played internationally. Here, Mr. Vidut Kazi represents Malaysia, and Mr. Joynal, he represents Saudi Arabia. Both of them are played well, and we see that among them
we find a great excitement.
করে গেলে সব দেখতে
The strike is on Bidut Kazi. He played very well.
In this board, Joinal gets 7 points.
And his total score is 16. Joinal's total score is 16 and Bidut Kazi's score is 22.
Now we can start. At this moment, the total point is 22 by 16.
16. Dear viewers, you who watch this game from different parts of the world, I request all of you to follow our channel and share the game, like, comments. Now strike is on Bidut Kazi.
Nice shot.
Strike is on Joinal. He represents Saudi Arabia, who meets here. We find a good contest. Both of them are exciting. They are excited to win the game. The game is in a critical position. Here the score is Bidut Kazi 22 and Joinal 16.
Our second semi-final match is running. Now the scoreboard is 24 by 16. Bidut Kazi, Malaysian expatriate, he has get his total point 24, and Joinal, Saudi Arab expatriate, he get his total point is 16. Both of them are very serious. They are in serious mode. They are also playing well and increase their own board equally. He has done a mistake.
Yesterday came from Saudi Arabia.
Both of them are visited to place also. So you can anyone Malaysia anyone. So they will accept it. It was a critical strike. All of our audience are very excited to have a look the winner and the last moment of the game. We noticed that at this moment only 2 white pawn and 3 black pawn on the board. Jainal make a easy mistake. Jainal has only 1 pawn, but it was so critical. He get another chance to finish the board. Both of them are played in critical mode. The tricks upon a plan, and finally he get 24 points total. Get 24, and Malaysian expatriate 24. Both are same. I think in at this moment the game is not only a game; it is a mini battle. Two fighters are fight with each other. We notice that the players are in serious mode. They are thinking so much before the strike. Shot by Vidyut Kazi, and he gets 3 points and total 27. Now the scoreboard is 27 by 24. Please keep silence. Don't make a noise from outside.
What is the total point?
At this moment, the total point is 27 by 24. Vidyut Kazi from Malaysian expatriate, he get 27 point, and Jainal, he get only 24 point. All of the audience, we also try to encourage them by clapping hands, please.
ওরা খাই নাই কমব্যাক জয়নাল
I think now Jainal feel very nervous. Personally, I request to him to overcome from his nervousness and try to his best.
no he is silent player
And also,
very clever
hope for Vidyut Kazi. We noticed that only 2 white pawn and 5 black pawn on the board. It was not a good shot. Vidyut Kazi unfortunately missed the easy point. Most probably the board is do or die board, but I can see.
good shot
I think the board is will be last board if he can do well, but unfortunately miss, and Zainal has get another chance. Nice shot by Zainal, but unfortunately miss. Great chance to get one point, and finally Vidyut Kazi get 1 point. No tension, try again. We noticed that last board was nil point. The players are playing well. Both are in serious mode. They should think about their. They should think before their strike on the bomb. But don't take more time. As if it was the last moment of the game, so you can you should think about your strike, but don't take more time. You know, thinking is the better plan, so you can take time to make your plan. Only 3 black pawn and 5 white pawn on the board, and red pawn also. Joinal also playing well. Bidyut Kazi has a great chance to finish the game on this board. Joinal are playing well and get only 1 point. Please claps for him, please. Another goal. The strike is on the favor of Bidyut Kazi. And strike on the both are missed. At this moment, we can look our first semi-final winner, first finalist Abdullah, near to me. Please, I request to him to come near me. Abdullah, he is our first semi-final finalist, first semi-final winner. I think he is very happy to get a chance to play final match. What do you feel to get a chance in the final match?
I'm happy. I'm happy.
I am happy.
You can say in your mother tongue. You can say in Bengali also. Please explain your feelings.
হ্যাপি, আমি খুব খুশি, আমি ফাইনালে গিয়েছি, এমনকি আমি বড় ট্রফিটা নিতেও ইচ্ছুক আছি।
Thanks for your Thanks for your comments. We also pray for you and your opponent equally.
মেরে দেবো হুট করে দেবো।
Only one black pawn and only one white pawn. And 2 black pawns. And finally, we get our finalist, semi-final winner, second semi-final winner, Bidyut Kazi. He gets the second semi-final match.